Hey guys! Today I'm making this cute miniature blackberry and chocolate cake. Hope you'll enjoy! Begin by rolling out a medium brown color and stack a few layers to get the right height for the cake. Then use a circle cutter to cut it out. Then cover it in dark brown or any other color you want the frosting to be. Cut a slice and add texture to the inside using a needle tool. I then made and added some frosting by mixing the same brown I used for the outside with some Fimo Deco gel. If you place a slice on its side like I did on the small plate, you also want to make sure to texture the underside using a toothbrush. To make the blackberries, take a small bit of black clay and place it on the tip of a needle tool, then place small balls of black clay all the way around. To make the pansies, I first cut some really thin slices of pale blue, then cut some basic petals and put them together. After baking, I added some details using acrylic paint. Now decorate the cake. I do have a video showing how to sculpt different types of frosting, so I won't be showing that in this video. Lastly, I added purple craft sand and painted the blackberries with a small amount of red acrylic paint. Then seal with glaze, and you're done.